thanks for joining me back on my channel. In this video, I wanted to do a quick length check for the year. If you want to see how much my hair has grown since my silk press video, please keep watching. Right now, I just put on like a plain white t-shirt to keep track of how long my hair has gotten, so that once I do my next one, I'll have on the same thing and then we can compare from there. And I have my hair in this top knot bun just to get some heatless curls, and I secured it with a small black rubber band. I'm just going to take it down so we can kind of see. So my hair has been straight like this for about 3 weeks now. I got a little trim, and I wanted to come on and go ahead and do my length check because I'm going to start protective styling again, and I'm going to wash my hair so it won't be straight for some time. So now I just went ahead and parted my hair down to the center so we can have 2 equal parts to measure. And I'm not going to really comb my hair through that much because I do have some new growth as well. So just kind of section off the front as well. Keep it separate from the back. Yeah, I had to go back in and try to like section that front part back out because that was not completely equal. But let's go ahead and clip it out the way. And then we can start on the back section for the first measurement. So I just moved back a little further so that you can see more of my hair. And now I'm just going to take like a subsection so that you can see the longest part of my hair. Might have to move back a little bit further. Now I'm just going to clip that hair up and out of the way. I'm just gently detangling the hair so it can be stretched out. And now I'm going to take my measuring tape. I didn't have like a soft one, but I'm going to work with this one today. So I'm going to split this into 2 pieces. Pull my measuring tape down. So I decided to bring this closer in so that we can see where it hits exactly. And that's the first section. this is the second section from the back. Now I just dropped the back of my hair to see if I would get the same measurement with that bottom section. Section is actually longer than that bottom section, which is surprising, but it's a good surprise, so I'm not complaining. So let's go ahead and move on to the front section. Clip this back. And on to the other side. That is it. We just got our last measurement. I'm so happy I went ahead and did this before I washed my hair, because it's so much harder to stretch your hair out once it's in its curly natural state without adding heat to it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.